London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions. Welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. I'm Sadis.
And I'm Henry.
And this is where we find some of the hottest talent from London's Point Blank Music School and bring them straight to your screens.
Today we have a YouTuber and dancer turned singer-songwriter Jada Skyers with her own spin on Hard Place by the American artist H.E.R.
Something telling you that he's playing. You've been testing his faith and your patience. I know you're a little headstrong, but you know that he's just dead wrong. Telling you to relax when he's on the madness. Would you rather fight and lose sleep at night, losing your mind? Now you have to choose this love or you. What you gonna do? And what if nothing ever changes? You be caught up in this love, baby. A different day, but the same thing. Stay caught up in this love, babe. Ooh, 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 Listen, you can't blame him. And as much as you're trying, you can't change him. You say he's cheating and lying, he's got you creeping and spying. And when you threaten to leave him, it don't faze him. I know the situation is driving you both crazy. Listen, baby, you know the future ain't right, cause the thing's shady. And I mean it's 2019 and you got your own means, boss lady. Don't be afraid to switch teams, it nah work out. Just let it burn out, think it's time to swerve out. Better say it's over and them girls can get the turn out. Don't always turn out how you want it, but just keep it stepping, honey. Better run and take your money. You're not a fool, so nobody let them treat you funny. Better appreciate it, cause when he sees you doing better, he'll be hating. And when you hot him up, he says he's changing, but you see it never does. So mama, why you waiting, huh? Hey, what if nothing ever changes? Stay caught up in this love, baby. A different day, but the same thing. Hey. Staying caught up in this love. Ooh, 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 hey. What if nothing ever changes? You stay caught up in this love. A different day, but the same thing. You.
Hello, Jada Skyers.
Hi guys.
How you
Hello.
doing?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
You're accompanied by a Grammy winner there. That means you're
I
gonna
know,
win a
right?
Grammy.
Honestly,
Right?
I feel privileged.
Good luck.
What made you choose that song by her and spit your bars on it as well?
You know what? I actually wrote the bars first, and then I was like, I want to find something that works with this. So I found that song actually, like, it started playing randomly. I was like, ooh, this is the one. But then the lyrics didn't fit, so I had to kind of change them up so that they fit what I was trying to say. So my message, yeah.
You've done quite a bit, like with your whole background of modeling and dancing, and you're like, I know you've just recently started YouTubing.
Oh yeah.
With this music thing, how did music now come into it, and how do you kind of see that all tying into everything that you aspire to do now?
Okay, so music is something that I've always, like, songwriting is something that I've always done since I started playing the guitar around I was like 8 years old. So I used to like come up with my own little chord progressions and write, and it was always something that I did in the background. Rapping I kind of started later, maybe like 16ish, and then around that time I knew it was something that I wanted to do, but it took me a while to kind of start really, planning things out. And so I think that's what I'm doing now, but it's something that I've always done. And in terms of the YouTube, that's something that that's fun for me. So, I find time to make videos and stuff. But
Your YouTube's funny. I've seen your YouTube.
Yeah, when's the next one dropping?
soon. As you said, like, I am juggling quite a bit. So, it's about making time really and organizing myself so I can, put energy into all of the things that I'm doing.
Yeah. Well, rumor has it that you used to be a lifeguard. Is this true?
Oh shoot! Well, you got really done your research. Yeah, it is true. Yeah.
Have you ever had to save anyone's life?
No.
You haven't?
Yeah, I was boring. Nothing happened. Everyone that came to my pool could swim, so really and truly, I just made a lot of friends with some great swimmers.
Well,
and that probably helped me be a better swimmer. Imagine that. Yeah.
You know we're going to put you to the test on that one, right? Because Henry here can't swim.
Yeah, guilty.
Oh, okay, cool.
Are you up for a bit of fun?
Let's go.
Henry, can you just pretend like you're drowning? For a minute,
shoot!
please?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah?
is this happening?
Let's do it.
Did you have to learn like how to save someone?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Here we go then.
Oh gosh.
Let's do it.
You're
Henry's life is
so-
now in your hands. You can give me your mic, it's all right.
Should I do front crawl or?
Front crawl.
I think you should be on your back. Like,
Yeah?
Like,
All right. So let's just pretend you're floating in the water. I come rescue you, right?
This is where it's going down.
I put him in a hole, like, really and truly, I could like go underneath your shoulders and then drag you back to the side. I might need an assistant.
Can you actually do that? Yeah.
drag him?
Yeah, man.
I'll
drag him.
cooperate. I'll cooperate.
There's nowhere to drag him. But okay, like something like this, yeah. And then I'll take him back to the edge of the pool. I'll probably call for some assistance because I wouldn't try and lift you out of the pool by myself.
Okay.
What about mouth-to-mouth resuscitation? Can you show us a bit of that?
Okay, so first, when I would have to... No. I'll check your breathing before I take you out of the pool.
Okay.
How serious the situation is.
And how do you do that?
And so I would basically put my ear to his mouth to see if I could feel the breath and see if his chest is raising and falling. And he's breathing, yay!
Wait.
Wicked. Thank you so much.
I
You're
feel
such
like
a
I
good
can
sport.
swim as well, which is nice. That's made me yeah.
Yeah. Alright, when you're ready though.
Thank you, Jada.
No
Much appreciated. You've saved Henry's life.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap from us, guys. Catch us next week for another session at PB Live. London's Point Blank Music School Studio Sessions.